भारतीय फुटबॉल मळार उबे राविल्ले ISL आड आय लीग कुवाडे अजूनय सुटना। एशियन फुटबॉल महासंघान ऑल इंडिया फुटबॉल फेडरेशनाकूच फुडें काडा म्हणून सांगला। AIFFन शेनवारा दिल्लीत आय लीग क्लबांची मीटिंग आपयल्ली। ह्या सगळ्या कोफुसावात खुबशे फुटबॉल प्लेयरांचो फुडार अस्पष्ट जाला।
ऑल इंडिया फुटबॉल फेडरेशन ISLचो आवाट वाडोवंक पळयता, तरी आसतना ते म्हणटा आय लीग अजूनय भारताचो टॉप लीग। अशें कशें जातलें म्हणत पयलींच गोंयचे 3 क्लब आय लीगांतल्यान पिकार जावन भायर सरल्यात। हालींच AIFF अध्यक्ष प्रफुल्ल पटेल गोंयांत आयिल्लो। ह्या क्लबांनी आतां परत भारतीय मळार येवचें म्हणून तो उलयलोय बी। आतां ISL आनी आय लीग खंय बरोबर 6 म्हयन्याच्यो सर्ती करतले, पूण आय लीग क्लब अशेंय करपाक दिवपाक तयार नात। आतां ह्या सगळ्या बोवाळांत कितले नवे क्लब ISLान येतले काय ना अशें बेकार फुटबॉल प्लेयरांकूय समजना आनी तांचोय फुडार आतां अस्पश्ट जाला। ह्या सगळ्या गजालींतल्यान गोंयांत फुटबॉल मळार खूब गोंधळ जाला। अशा ह्या परिस्थितीचेर GFA अध्यक्ष एल्विस गोमसाची ही प्रतिक्रिया।
What we want is there should be a clear, direction as to the Nations League. So much of experimentation has taken place over the years, right from the Philips League when it was introduced, thereafter it became the I League, and I League started getting diluted, and then came the ISL. Everything is fine. See, so long as anything that is done is towards developing Indian football and helping Indian football to grow and come on the world stage, it is acceptable. But then also the club's interest must be taken into account. Club interest is paramount. The clubs are investing a lot of money and they have to get something in return. And if they all the time, are unsure what is the roadmap, how are they heading, where are they going? If you are unsure, then all that investment becomes naught. Yeah. So that is the main problem as far as the federation is concerned. The federation has failed, I can tell you, to give this kind of clarity in the structure of the league. And now what is happening is again experimentation about merger. Big clubs like the Calcutta clubs have their own interests. They are very traditional clubs. Their fan base is still intact, and you have to deal with that situation.
Bureau report, Prudent.
हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटा। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात। नमस्कार।